Good morning from Srinagar again. It will be our last stop today, that is Gulmarg, and we just stopped for short breakfast. Actually, this is in Srinagar, probably the best place you can eat in Srinagar for veg food. This is Krishna Dhaba, you can see right here. So, for all the vegetarians out there who want to have something good, this is the only place you can go to in the entire Srinagar. It is right opposite to Hotel Batra. Like it's right there, and there's the Dal Lake. So a short walk from the Dal Lake. This is the Krishna Vaishnav Bhojnalaya. In entire Srinagar, you won't find any better place to eat than this. They prepare one of the most hygienic food ever. And here we have the owner right here. And yeah, so if you want to eat something good in Srinagar, come to Krishna Bhojnalaya. So we have been here for like 7 days almost, 1 week now, and we have been eating only from here. And this is the place to eat if you are in Srinagar. So right behind the Krishna Bhojnalaya, you will find the Durga temple over here. So the total number of temples in Srinagar is actually pretty less. This is one, Durganath temple right there. You had that Shankaracharya temple you saw when we visited there over there. And this is another one that we have over here. So there it is, Durganath temple. You will find that the temples are actually scarce in Srinagar, for obvious reasons of course. But yeah, this is one temple where you can visit and just offer your prayers or whatever. So yeah, Durganath temple, everyone. So we have reached Tanmarg, that is like the base camp for going to Gulmarg and all. So it's all covered in snow, so we have to get chained cars now. Let me show you the condition over here. So yeah, here you can see snow all around. It's almost slippery. We have to go all the way to the top over there. So the forest, the trees, they look like someone has put some icing sugar on top of them. The snow is looking just like that. And yeah, this is the Tanmarg base camp. From here you will be getting the 4x4 sumos with the chains on the tires, which will be taking you up to Gulmarg. And the gondola as well. So finally the trek in the car, chain car, to the top of Gulmarg. Let's look at this. So finally we have reached Gulmarg. So welcome to another heaven on earth. Let's take a look. So now we have to go to the gondola, which is apparently somewhere over there. We'll be taking a ATV, so we'll show you. Let's take a look. The sledge ride begins. There goes my mom. My dad went ahead. Now this is me. Woo, sledge it is! हाँ भैया ठीक, आपको पकड़ के बैठेगा। मम्मी बाय बाय पापा। ओहो नीचे गिर गए। So these are the black forests right there. There's our Gulmarg ride. Oh sorry, the gondola ride. I don't know if I am visible properly or not, but we just entered the gondola ride. Here are a few spare gondolas right there, and there's a long queue, so you have to wait for like 5-10 minutes. And if you come on in peak season, if your timing is wrong, then you'll have to wait for around an hour or something. So yeah, the gondola ride will be starting in like next 5-10 minutes. Let's see.
10,000 फीट ऊपर जाएंगे सी लेवल से, ठीक है। गुलमर्ग, गुल मीन्स फूल, मर्ग मीन्स मैदान। गुलमर्ग इज द मेडो ऑफ फ्लावर्स एंड ह्यूमन ऑफ स्नो फ्लावर्स। अगर आप जून जुलाई अगस्त में आओगे पूरा हरियाली आप देखोगे, पूरा फ्लावर हो जाएगा। लेकिन दिसंबर जनवरी फरवरी मार्च पूरा स्नो ही स्नो होता है।
So here's the first view from the top. We just came from that gondola over there. So reached over here and just look at the view. There's Gulmarg people right there. So we will be going for skiing and snow bike, whatever you can call it, right there. There's a snow cat mountain right there. So yeah.
बोलो। अरे यार वो किसके पास? उसके फोन में।
Just look at this. So you have snow dogs right there. There's one, 2, 3, 4. One is coming our way. There it is. So hello from Gulmarg again. We just came all the way from there. You can see that gondola ride. We walked all our way to here. It was like around 1.5 kilometers. Now we'll be going on the snow ride. Sorry, the snow vehicle, snow bike, whatever you can call it. So we'll go for a short 20-minute ride or something. I'll be driving it by the way, and we'll go somewhere around there and come down back here. So yeah, let's go. Snow vehicle slash ATV, whatever you can call it. So yeah, we're going for a short spin. This piece, a Polaris snow vehicle. So yeah, let's go. Brake क्या किया है ना brake? Right hand accelerator इसको press करके. So we have reached the top using that snowmobile right there, and here's the view from the top. Look at this. So this is, so भैया brought us all the way over here. मेरा नाम बता दीजिए.
मेरा नाम बिलाल है सर।
So Bilal भैया brought us in that snowmobile right there. So yeah, here we have Harleen Bhi and Sumit भैया. Say hi here to the camera. आप लोग YouTube पे आ रहे हैं जल्दी.
Great.
Yeah.
कुंगदूरी।
अच्छा हम लोग कुंगदूरी में हैं फिलहाल. कुंगदूरी. अच्छा phase 1 का राइड कंप्लीट किया हमने यूजिंग gondola and the snowmobile, and now we are here enjoying this view. So yeah, just look at these pine trees and the view. Okay, so that's the Death Valley. Don't jump.
ऊपर से जब स्केर आते हैं फार्मर्स की करके,
Okay.
माउंटेन अभी नहीं दिख रहा है फॉग की वजह से, वो थोड़ा सा दिख रहा है।
Right.
तो पीछे से अगर सडनली निकल आता है,
Okay.
जिसकी वजह से उनकी मूव हो जाती है
अच्छा.
नीचे। तो इसलिए इसका नाम डेथ वैली है।
Okay, so avalanche वगैरह है वहाँ पर.
हाँ, avalanche.
Oh, nice. So yeah, this is the one. So Gulmarg people. So finally we have found a very rare creature, you can say, only found in Kashmir. So we and Harleen and Sumit bhaiya together found this guy.
Yes.
So meet Snowy, the abominable snowman. Snowy, say hi. Hello. So yeah, there's Snowy. You can,
Smart dude.
yeah, actually he's pretty smart. So he's also posing for the pictures. If you want to meet him, you have to come to Gulmarg, all the way over here with the snow bikes. So yeah, Snowy, Harindi, Sumit bhaiya, and of course you know me. So yeah, okay, so the mist has cleared and you can see the peaks of the mountain as well. So bye bye Snowy, we'll meet you again.
Bye-bye.
I believe you'll be somebody, someone I could call the one. You gon' be my only. I can see that you are watching. I'ma make you fall in love. Just step back and watch me work, daddy. Watch me while I work. Yeah, now let me do my work, daddy. Watch me while I work. Tell me that you need it, only if you mean it. Don't be a last nigga, baby fuck with it. Yeah, baby fuck with it. You know I've been with it. If you're sleeping, then you're sleeping. You know you're taking too long.
So we came down from the Gadda side over there and we found igloo in the making. So they are making the igloos right here. You can see the walls coming up. So it will become like a dome structure. So yeah, igloo people. And there's a small stream. It's completely frozen. And of course the pine trees. So we have stopped at another point yet. We're going to do skiing. So ski shoes, ski sticks, whatever you call that, we'll be going all the way to there. So skiing time. कोई बात नहीं
होना चाहिए
हाँ कोई बात नहीं
ऐसा होता है